Stretchy thing. Okay.
Oh. Flutter, are you ready to fly? Come here. Here. Here.
Oh my god. Oh! Did she poop? God.
That was a very close call.
That was funny.
Oh,
Look at her.
what are you doing? Oh. What are you doing, girlfriend? What are you doing? Where are you going? You don't know, but you want to go somewhere, huh? Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? Oh. Wow! That was impressive! You're learning your ups and downs, aren't you? You levitated. All right, let's put you back. She's like, no, now that I've done that, I want to go flying.
She's like, where are we going? Wait.
Good girl.
Oh my god. I'm in love. Bye, Flutter.
Girl Flutter.